all, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 4. So like always, this Watch Me First is going to be posted right in the very top over here, which is going to talk about what is happening this week. So this week, what you have is, if you see the first one is the Zoom link. That is the same as the sign up, the Zoom link sign up from the last week. You only have to sign up for one time slot. If you did it last week, you're good. If you didn't, you have time this week also to do it. So that is the sign up link again. The next thing that you have is the assignment for this week is your APA assignment. The way educational research works is you write your papers in an APA formatting. So it's no longer MLA or Chicago or anything else. Most educational papers are written in APA format. You need the APA 7th edition book for it. Okay, so let's look, what do you have here? You have the very first link that I have over here is an online Purdue library that has created an online guide for it. Very friendly. You can search things up and figure things out. It is a very great link. I often use it to do my APA stuff too. The other thing that you have here is the assignment, and this is the sheet you're going to do your answers on. So let's look at each one of them. So this is what the sheet would look like, the APA assignment when you download it. So it's going to have a bunch of things here, but over here it is going to have comments that is going to say there is an error. So see the assignment paper for the error, and I'll explain that in a minute. Error 2, there is error in how the name is written, what it is, what's the error. So what you are doing is you are trying to find the errors in APA or what is the right way of writing, because this is what you're going to be using for your paper. Every assignment that you have in this class is building towards that literature review paper. Okay, so position of the text. So if you go down, you're going to see, okay, what it is. You just have to click on this and it would open this up. Click on this paragraph indentation. Is that correct? What should it be? Right? Then you have font size and spacing. So this one is for 2 points because there are 2-3 things being asked over here, right? So this is what your assignment looks at. I have highlighted. When you click on your comment, you will see which part you are answering. Okay, so you have a part 1, you have a part 2. That is also is what's happening here. What should be the indentation for a reference list? Here you have how should the reference be ordered and what should be the line spacing, because these are the things you have to keep in mind when you write your paper. You have points associated with this for your draft 1, for your draft 2, for your final paper. So lots of points are associated with this. So if you get a good understanding of this, it's actually a great thing. If you have questions, you want to meet with me, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would be happy to talk through stuff, answer questions on the course question discussion board. Please always feel free to do those. Okay. So here is what it is. So here is 3 is I gave you a little bit of an extra practice. You can see 2 points. I gave you the details. How do you write it and all of those things over here. The Purdue online one. Also, if you put in the information, it actually gives you what the reference should look like once you select APA 7th edition, not the 6th edition, 7th edition. But you always have to go back and check whether it is the correct. So this understanding and foundation is very necessary, not only for this course, for all your future, whether you want to take an EDD program, PhD program, applied research. As you move forward, all the papers are going to be written in an APA format. Okay, so that's what you have over here. So let's look at the other one. So I downloaded the assignment too. So this is what the student sheet looks like. It is total points is 35 points. So I have done the first one. This is the answer. The title of the page is not double spaced and the first letter of each word needs to be capital. Now I give you a page number of where it is in APA 7th edition. You don't have to give me a page number. You just have to talk about what should it be and actually put in, write the citation, write the correct format. Okay, but to ease it, I do it. This is for the part 1. Here, the references should be centered, 12-point font, another bolded, and it should be a level 1 heading. APA has level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 headings. Once you do your outlines, you're going to have those level headings also. So you again have to keep all of these things in mind. This is one of the core assignments that's going to help build your paper, outlines, all of those things. Okay. And here's the third one. So this is what is due. So I'm going to go back. So you have to download it to be able to see the comments. Okay, so please download. If you're having issues, once again, post it on the course question discussion board. I will figure out a solution. I may just give you a PDF of it or something. We will work it out. Okay, but you cannot wait till the last minute to do it. If the assignment is due on a Sunday and you're trying to open it up on a Saturday and you can't, the expectation is not that I will be available on a weekend to help you out. So be proactive. That is why I open these assignments early on so that you can at least go and look. Okay, so that is, once again, Zoom link, your assignment. And remember, this week ends your research topic. It ends the formulation of the research question. You should, if you already have a research question by now, you are done. If you don't have, this is also the week that you can get additional feedback, meet with me, discuss those things, talk about it during the Zoom, all of those things that you can do to be able to have a research question. The research question is going to guide your literature search report. It is going to guide your literature review also, because that is the topic that you are going to be researching on. Okay, so these are the things that are due in week 4. Best of luck, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.